Did you know there's a way to get free food deliveries for up to 6 months? It actually comes with the 6 month free trial of Amazon Prime. You get Grubhub Plus free with that trial period. And also, then you only pay 50% off after that for Amazon Prime, and you still get Grubhub Plus. So that's $0 food deliveries. Now, you can also get this with the regular Amazon Prime and also Prime Access, which is a 50% discounted version of Amazon Prime. I'm going to cover all that in this video. You can click the link in the description and we'll stay on this page right here, which is the Amazon Prime 6 month free trial. This is Amazon Prime for young adults. So if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student, you can get this 6 month free trial. You get 5% cash back on Amazon Prime. You get $0 food deliveries with Grubhub Plus included. And also, if you're not qualifying for this, then you can actually click on the 18 to 24 years old, like not 18 to 24 years old link, and you get 30 days free. And we'll talk about that in a second. But after this 6 month free trial for Amazon Prime for young adults, it's actually only 50% off after that for Amazon Prime. And it's even cheaper if you pay for the annual membership versus paying monthly. Now, if we click on this link down here, like if you don't qualify for the student or young adults version, you actually get free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime, where you also get Grubhub Plus in there. So $0 food deliveries through Grubhub Plus. And if you are maybe in some financial need or you're receiving government assistance, Prime Access is 50% discounted if you qualify for that through that criteria. So you can click this link here, or you can scroll to the bottom and you'll see Prime Access down here. And you can click the button over here and just try it free for 30 days. And also, if you qualify, you'll pay a lot less per month with Prime Access than for the regular Amazon Prime. And so with this trial, you get those free food deliveries and you get Grubhub Plus for free, which is an awesome benefit. You also get Prime Video and all the free fast shipping and other benefits that come with Amazon Prime, including saving 10 cents per gallon at over 7,000 different locations, which right now, it's looking pretty good to save some money on some gas. All right, guys, that is how to get free food deliveries. This is one method using the Amazon Prime membership, and a lot of you could probably get it free for 6 months. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to that page.